Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and sorry for this angle. I know it's like not the most appealing, but I'm literally so tired. It is currently 1 p.m. It's not even the morning anymore. In case you guys were wondering, today I actually don't have classes. I don't have classes Tuesdays or Thursdays. This morning I actually, what did I do this morning? Literally just woke up and worked on assignments, and then I filmed this TikTok that I'm gonna try to edit later and send it to like the brand, because it's like my first paid TikTok. So excited about that. Right now I'm heading to Emma's house. If you guys don't know who Emma is, she's actually my big in my sorority. Today I'm actually apartment hunting in Kennesaw. We're looking at about 3 apartments, so I'm not gonna really be putting the name of each apartment just for like privacy reasons. I'm literally going at 80 right now. Also, I have been wanting to film a little like life update, or at least like a little like chit chat something video, but I don't know if you guys want to see that in a full video like on its own. Are you kidding me? Or if I should just like include it in a vlog or something. I just feel like I haven't really updated you guys on when I'm graduating, what year I am, how things have been since I transferred, how I've been liking my sorority now that I've been in it for a year. Isn't that crazy? No, not a year. For a semester? Yeah, I just haven't really updated you guys on everything basically. That's kind of my little spiel. I don't really want this to be super long because today's video is about apartment hunting. But like I said, if you guys want to see a little talking video, let me know. Oh, it's that car. I need to pass that car because all these rocks are flying from it. What the heck? Do not get in my lane. Do not get in my lane. What the fuck is my phone doing? I'm like scared. Like my phone just started moving by itself. It looked like somebody was scrolling on my phone and I'm like, is there a ghost here? I'm gonna continue listening to Bad Bunny. Just like the vibes are immaculate. So, yeah. I have been talking too much. Yeah, Bad Bunny! So we made it to the first location. What do we think?
I hate the kitchen. Ew, wow.
This is horrible.
I'm gonna have to cut all this. Is this the master?
Yes.
Wait, hold on, I need to show them. No.
Is this the one that's the
No, I think that's why she said to go to the other one.
Okay.
Yes, we can now.
Oh yeah, it's a patio. Let's rate them after each one. What do we think?
What are all these?
3?
A 3.
3.
This is a big ass closet. Coming to a place that we don't even get a
A
fucking
pantry? That's a pantry.
Goodbye.
We are leaving, you guys. Yeah, we didn't really like that one. Okay, so this is the renovated. Ooh, I like this. What is this door? There's a closet.
It's clean.
Is this the living room area? Yeah, right? It's kind of little. Refrigerator.
Holy shit, that's a big ass closet.
It is.
Why do the rooms look little? They look smaller than the other
The closet's
one.
as big as a room.
I mean, this is better, but it's still not amazing. Not really. I like.
Washer, dryer.
I don't like how the rooms are carpet.
We just saw the first apartment. We saw like 2 different models and we didn't really like it at all. Emma's gonna tell you guys why she didn't like it. Focus.
First of all, the lady was rude to us. Like she wasn't helpful at all. We literally waited for 30 minutes to even like get to go, and then we did a tour by ourselves. Like I don't even know why. That was
And
weird.
we had to pay like $1 for the tour, you guys. I've never seen that before, like ever. She didn't even come with us. Like we had to drive.
Yeah, expect like we
in
knew
the
where to
car.
go. And like the not renovated one was so bad, and then the renovated one was cute, but I just still think it has a lot of cons.
Yeah. It's a no for that one. Apartment number 2. Thank you.
Okay, so it's 2, 2, 2. This is so cute. Wait,
god, it's huge.
Wait, this is so nice. If y'all see a laundry and oh, it's right there. Oh my gosh. We can have a whole little cutesy thing here.
I love this. We could have lights hanging right here.
The curtains are so nice too. This is big too. It's like you don't feel like you're clustered together.
Same size as us.
Yeah, that's
This room.
No, but like the hallway helps.
And I love the tall ceilings. The tall ceilings are
Oh yeah, the lights on top. So this one has 2 bathrooms, right?
yeah.
So 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. So whoever has the master would just have a shower.
Oh, the shower's nice.
I like it because it's carpet, but it's brand new carpet.
Yeah.
So no one's touched.
Wait, I didn't look at that. Is that the closet?
Yeah.
I mean, it's big.
I just like it because it's new.
It's so nice.
And it's so
It smells
cute.
like
I
new
it.
too.
But we
But look how much stuff like being like how much room there is here. Like,
Yeah.
What are you really gonna have, you know? Because it's
and
like
we could each have our own like one thing
Yeah.
and
I love them.
I really like this. Like I really
Like, I don't want to leave. Oven.
So how much is it? 21.
Extinguisher in case one of y'all bitches burns the cookies. Did she say anything about like the electricity and water? Oh, this is just this. We have so much space here.
I really obsessed.
I love this one. This is the outside again, you guys. We have so much space here. Like if we wanted to buy I forgot what it's called. Yeah, this is kind of the view. And this is the other bathroom.
This is our kitchen area.
So cute.
The pool is so cute. The pool, the fire pit, fireplace.
Oh my god.
Oh, I love this.
I love this one. It's so cute.
I know.
So what do we rate that one? Like 10?
10.
Okay. 10 out of 10.
All of this is going to come here. Feel free to have a seat.
Like, is it the blue color of the chair?
Yeah, so the chair will be blue, but the couch actually will be gray. And my favorite thing about the kitchen is that there are no dramatic exits. So if you want to get mad at your roommates and like storm out, don't film a cabinet because everything is soft shut.
I want to try that actually. Hold up.
Go for it. So you will have all of your appliances, and your fridge is going to be slightly different than this one just because I think our original fridge was out of stock. So we got this one for now, and then in your actual floor plan, there will be either a pantry or it will be the floor to ceiling cabinets that are super long, so a cabinet pantry.
Okay.
And all that will be over there.
Thank you. We stopped by Tropical Smoothie Cafe and I got this wrap. And these are my favorite chips ever. It's the chicken pesto wrap. So I'll let you guys know if I like it later. But yeah. So we are back from apartment touring. Sorry, I have no idea where to go. I really loved the second one, but it just like doesn't come with Wi-Fi. It doesn't come with furniture. Like it's not a typical like student living situation. We're really just gonna have to see later on, but yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Where did I put my top? Emma and I might go to Target in like a few minutes actually because I need to buy a few things. Yeah, they also did give us this crew neck when we went to the last apartment. I didn't really get a lot of clips from the last one because they're actually still building those. I got mine in an extra large. It looks really comfortable. And yeah, I would show you guys the front, but I don't really want to show the name of the apartments or whatever. Target run! Again, remember the last vlog? We were also in Target. We decided to come to Ulta first. I think they have like 21 days of beauty or something because Emma showed me the other day, so we're gonna look at that. If you guys haven't tried this lotion, you guys need to try it. It smells so good.
They have hand sanitizer. It's probably so
They
good.
have hands. They have mini too.
I don't know. I really think I want it, but I just like, I don't use palettes like that.
So far, I still have the Madison Beer clear lip gloss. And then lately, I've actually been using this e.l.f. camo concealer. So I got a different shade because I feel like ever since spring break, I feel like I needed a more tan color. So far, I just have these and I'm trying not to spend too much more. Next stop is Target. Just realized that they sell Function of Beauty at Target. I've really been wanting to try this brand out. I see them all over Instagram and they literally have a whole section. This is the micellar water that I use after I cleanse my face. So I'm gonna pick this up. Emma is looking for a lip liner.
I'm getting this.
Fortune cookie, you guys.
Butter gloss.
Butter gloss. I'm actually back home now. Originally, I only wanted to go to Target because I needed to buy like mouthwash. I also needed these two things. These are actually the Ollie Sleep Vitamins. I feel like these actually work and do something for me. If I'm ever struggling to go to sleep, I always just take 2 of these and it just always knocks me out like in 30 minutes. So I picked this up again because I completely ran out. I also did restock in this simple micellar cleansing water. I always put this in a cotton pad or cotton round. This kind of like removes the last bit of makeup or dirt that I have. And this last thing I actually got from the dollar section, the little bullseye section at Target. So this is actually $5, but it's 3 little glass vases. I've seen these so much on Pinterest and I actually think it'll be a nice little DIY craft if I actually paint these. I don't have to paint all of them, but I could see myself painting this one like a beige color or just like a neutral color, just for like any shelves or anything like that. I'm probably gonna hold on to these for whenever I move out. I just thought these were really cute. I really didn't need them, but they're just, I just love them. And then from Ulta, I got 2 things and I'm kind of proud of myself. I actually picked up this Madison Beer lip gloss, but this is actually the clear one. So I have 2 of her other ones and I honestly really love them. They're only like $10 and I feel like that's so worth it for a lip gloss, especially if it's Madison Beer's. And yeah, so I just decided to get the clear one. Yeah, this is sort of what it looks like and I don't know, I honestly really like these and yeah, like that's just so aesthetic. Yeah, that's so cute. Why did I smell it? It has no smell to it. I love wearing lip gloss, you guys. This one is in the shade Jupiter. And then I also picked up another e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is sort of what it looks like. I actually recently stopped using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. That was like my holy grail, but $30 is just a lot for a concealer. I'm definitely still gonna buy it every once in a while, but I wanted something inexpensive that was more casual that I could wear like every day to like class and stuff like that, and this is honestly perfect. I love the applicator of it as well. It's like the same jumbo size, which is what I love about it the most. It's not really focusing, but the applicator is just really big and I just love that about it. This time I kind of went up a shade because I did get a little bit tan after my spring break. So this is actually in the shade, what shade is this? Medium peach, in case you guys are interested. Those were all of the items that I got. I wasn't able to find my favorite like mouthwash from Target. It's like the TheraBreath one. I also apologize for the lighting. It's really not the best right now because it's like nighttime and I only have like this light and then that light and they both are just not good. But yeah, so I just kind of wanted to end today's vlog. Today was definitely a crazy day looking at all of those apartment choices. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe down below and follow me on my Instagram and all my socials, which will be in the description of today's video.